Hello, welcome back, students. So, in the today's session, we will be learning about the integers. So, let's understand what are integers. So, up to now in your lower grades, we are studying the numbers that starts with the zero. So, that's we have the numbers on our number line, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We are doing the calculation with them, adding them, subtracting them, multiplying them, dividing them. But I have a question today. Do we have the numbers that are below the zero? This side? Okay. Let's take an examples. You might have seen the temperature. If it's a very cold, how do we have the temperature that's a very cold? If the temperature is very cold, let me show you how do we have the temperature if that's a very cold. So that is our temperature. Like in the negative, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 even. So, can you people now answer this question? Do we have the numbers that are below the zero? Yes, we do have the numbers that are below zero. And we call them as the negative numbers. So the right side of this, sorry, the left side, because the right side is always we are having the numbers that we are starting. So below the zeros, there are the negative numbers. And integers are those numbers which are having the positive as well as the negative numbers. So, what are the positive numbers that are the right side of the zeros, and what are the negative numbers that are just the left side of the zero or which are below the zeros? So, all these numbers, like the negative zero as well as positive numbers, together we call them as the integers. And the numbers you are learning till now in your lower grades, that's the set of whole numbers. So that's what we have, the integers. Thank you.